saw that minivan pull out from the house on the right of the football house on the next street over, and I'm looking out the window here in from Jake's bedroom, and then I saw Rowan drive past not long, just like a minute after that little mini SUV pulled out of that house there, over on College Street. Jake's asleep in Jake's bed. Gizmo's been outside barking like a field hand. Sounded like the sound of it came from the next street over too. But I'm pretty sure that was Rowan Centro driving on East College Street.